Yo guys, welcome back to the gang. Gang. It's your boy Tanam School, and in today's video, we're gonna be reviewing the Jordans Zoom. Why do I keep forgetting these names, bro? The Jordan Zooms 92, baby. Do you know what I'm saying? So without too much talking, let's get into the goddamn video, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, here we are in the making of history. Because you know what, I've been going out of my box. Even though Jordan is under the Nike brand, you know, I haven't done Jordans. You know what I'm saying? I'm not really a Jordan guy. When really and truly I should be. I don't feel no pressure about it. I feel like it's a part of the culture. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's go on this journey. Let's embark on this unexpected journey. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, last time I done Adidas. You know what I'm saying? Well, I'm going back home because Jordan is Nike. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's open it. Let's see what this is about. All right. Look at him. Look at this. Purely beautiful. I mean, just look at that. Bruh. You see this? Y'all picked. I know y'all picked this. You know what I'm saying? Here it's got obviously the Nike Air Zoom little logo. It's got a Nike swoosh here. And then I like this little thing here where, like, you see this part of the second part of the Nike swoosh? It's just a bit faded, you know what I'm saying? Like it's Casper the ghost sign, you know what I'm saying? Got some silver lining right here. Silver lining that shine, do you know what I mean? Flipping, what's that? What's this? It just looks different, you know what I'm saying? Nah, that's just different. You see that design right there? That's just different, bro. You know what I'm saying? This is the fronts. Yeah. Frontal cortex, you know what I'm saying? This is where all the magic happens. No, I'm joking. Yeah. Here we got the golden Jordan logo right here. No kitty cat, bruh. No kitty cat. You know what I'm saying? Oh, and look at this. Look at the bottom. Look at the bottom. Whoa. It's got that little transparent effect at the bottom. What's this? Zoom. It's got a big zoom ray in here. Then all this, I think it's raw. This is nice, bro. You know what I'm saying? You got the zoom, the Nike tick here. You know what I'm saying? The Jordan, you know what I'm saying? Number 23, bro. What are you talking about? Oh, actually, on this one, I see 6. Should have just kept my mouth shut. On the other side, there's another Nike tick, you see? You dig what I'm saying? A white one. So on this side, there's a black Nike tick. And on the other side, on the west side, you know what I'm saying? There is a white one. And here, we got a Jordan logo. Yeah, this is the other side. Here we got a Jordan logo. And here we got the Nike Zoom thing with the Nike swoosh. You get me? And the other side, there's no red thing, you know what I'm saying? This shoe is truly original. It's very original. And what else was I gonna say? Seems like there is some type of bubble here. Right here, so. Come on. That's a bubble. Yeah, man, that's a bubble, you know. Rascal. Alright. We have to see the inside now and see what I'm going in at the inside of the shoe, you know. Yeah, man. Let me open it. I mean, let me take out the. You know how they always put something inside the shoe. Why am I struggling back? Bro, I had to summon the strength of the Wakandas, all the Wakandas, bruv, to get this shit out, bruv. But yeah, this is the inside. This is as far as it can go. It's got some weird stuff inside, bro. Like, I don't know. The inside is, you see this? Y'all see this? It's like it's got pocket inside, bruv. Listen, I'm gonna start hiding my money in there, bruv. No cap. No kibbity cap. And I love this part, so look at this, bruv. Look at this, bruv. Yeah. Yeah, bruv. Yeah. Is that a number 9? Yeah, I'm not colorblind, am I? Yeah. That's what we like. And the back of a beautiful. Obviously, it's got a big air written here. Air. Yes, sir. So yeah, guys, I think we've done a whole tour of the shoe. It's time to put them on.
Run that back, turbo. Hey.
Hey, I'm here. Come down here. So here they are, the Jordans, 92s, Zoom, whatever you want to call them. This is a small step for mankind. No, this is a small step for man, but a giant step for mankind. Let's put them on. God damn, they're easy to put on. God damn. God damn. Yes, sir. Oh my God, Lord have mercy, they're so comfortable. Lord have mercy. How can these shoes be so comfy? Oh my God. Oh my goodness, man. This is something else. And oh Lord, they look good. They look so good, man. They look so good. You know, there was a point in my life where I just fell out with Jordans, you know what I'm saying? The last time I had Jordans was about 9 years ago, 9 whole years ago, you know. 9 whole years ago. That was the last time I had Jordans. Do you know how mad that is, bruv? That's mad, bruv. You know what I'm saying? But I'm glad. G-L-A-D. That I joined the game again, bruv. And I have no regrets. They look fantastic, they look bombastic, you know what I'm saying? Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Yeah. And I have no shame saying it, you know what I'm saying? And just look at this. You know what I mean? So beautiful. And it's comfortable, and I know for that they're durable. And they'll protect me from the winter and the rain, bro. Yeah, you better protect me from the rain, you know, because if you don't, I'm gonna give you a bad review, and you don't want that, do you? Yeah, that's what I thought. Good girl. It's about time you call me daddy now. Yeah. Let's do that more, because it's just good, like, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
back, Turbo.
Hey, hey, hey.
So yeah, guys, like, I'm very impressed with this shoe, to say the least. As soon as I put them on, the magic was done. I couldn't come out, couldn't pull out, big man thing. You know what I'm saying? Could have ended up with a baby or something. You know what I'm saying? Like that shit was crazy, man. That shit was crazy, man. You know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. But yes, it's a very, very good show. Very, very like it. Very, very much. And yeah, comfort is amazing. That's the first thing I was, you know what I'm saying, I was moved by. The looks are good. Durability is great. Wearing it with different outfits, you got options. So for today's review, the mark I'm giving is a 9, bruv. 9. Because it's simply beautiful, simply comfortable, simply durable. It's Jordan. You can never go wrong with Jordan. As far as I know. Do you know what I mean? So make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share this thing. And the link to the shoe will be down in the description. So, you know what? Please yourselves. Do whatever you gotta do. Go grab them. You know what I'm saying? Go grab them for your girlfriend. Go grab them for your wife. For your kids, your brother, your sister. You know what I'm saying? Someone important in your family, go grab it for their birthday. Link in the description, baby. Yeah. It was your birthday in school. And I'm out.